After work sunbath. Lacey Lou and Americana enjoying the sun. They look so funny when they sunbathe.
Yeah, they look broken.
Uh-huh. They lay in the weirdest positions. Hi, baby girls. Hi, Americana. Finally weekend. Woohoo! Oh, Marshmallow. I see all that dirt. You must have had some good dirt baths today. Ruru, you're getting a bath tomorrow, ma'am. You excited? I told you if you didn't get the poo off yourself, I'd have to do it for you. Hi, Blue Blue. She's so beautiful. Hi, Blue Blue. Hi, sweet baby. Mr. Graybeard down there stealing my baby. Look at that. Look at that fool. I see you. Trying to get cuddles with my girl. Yep. Sounds about right. Have a great weekend, everyone.